All right, so that's a lineup here and what's coming up. Well, let's tell you how to position yourself in the last hour of trade. Mitessh is here to help us do that, help you do that. Mitessh, good to have you here. So, you know, the dip's been bought and so far well behaved with a 100-point cut. What would you do?
Good afternoon, Prashant. I think you are highlighting the contribution of Bank Nifty. You can add Nifty IT to it. I think those two indices still look pretty okay to me. And that is why the Nifty possibly, did not break below the 16,980 zone, which is the 200 average area. So we got a low of around 1765. But I think, very clearly this zone of 17,100 to about 16,980, I think till that is being broken, I would not want to go short on the markets. On the upside, I think, yes, again, 280, 300 zone needs to be taken out before you can venture out on long. So it's a market which is, kind of trying to find its directional bias. But looking at the Nifty IT and Nifty Bank, I have a mild positive feeling that, eventually we could see a break on the upside and head towards 17,450, 500 zone. Having said that, I have a buy on HCL Tech and traders can possibly look at a stop loss just below today's low of 942. So 941 is what I recommend, and a target of around 980 on the upside could be tested. And I had a sell on ITC a few days back. Again, I think it's on the verge of possibly giving some kind of a corrective pullback. It needs to break 325 though, so sell below 325, then keep a stop at 330 and look for 315, 314 as the first target. Eventually, it could possibly give a pullback to about 308 levels.
Mitessh, thank you very much for that. We'll come back to you. Despite many multiple punches thrown by the US markets at us, we're down, but there hasn't been a knockout punch. We're just down about 0.5% on the benchmark indices.